Welcome back to Cars Info, your go-to channel for the latest in automotive news and reviews. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of sports cars with a sneak peek at the highly anticipated 2025 Mazda RX-9. Join us as we explore what makes this next-generation, rotary-powered beauty a true enthusiast's dream. The 2025 Mazda RX-9 embodies Mazda's commitment to design excellence and driving pleasure. With its sleek, aerodynamic lines and aggressive stance, it harkens back to the iconic RX-7 while incorporating modern design cues. The RX-9 features a low-slung profile, a distinctive front fascia with LED headlights, and a sculpted hood that hints at the power beneath. Step inside the RX-9, and you'll find a driver-focused cockpit designed to enhance the thrill of driving. Premium materials, such as leather and carbon fiber accents, create a luxurious yet sporty atmosphere. The cabin is equipped with the latest in automotive technology, including a digital instrument cluster, a centrally mounted infotainment screen, and advanced connectivity options to keep you connected on the road. At the heart of the 2025 Mazda RX-9 lies Mazda's legendary rotary engine, updated and refined for the modern era. This unique power plant delivers exhilarating performance with smooth power delivery and a high-revving nature that enthusiasts crave. With lightweight construction and a balanced chassis, the RX-9 promises nimble handling and precise cornering, making it a joy to drive on twisty roads and the track alike. Mazda engineers have focused on achieving the perfect balance of agility and comfort in the RX-9. The chassis dynamics are tuned to provide responsive steering and exceptional stability, ensuring a thrilling driving experience without compromising on everyday usability. Whether you're pushing it through corners or cruising on the highway, the RX-9 delivers a dynamic and engaging driving experience that enthusiasts will appreciate. In terms of safety, the 2025 Mazda RX-9 is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, to enhance safety on the road. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking help to mitigate potential hazards and keep you safe behind the wheel. In conclusion, the 2025 Mazda RX-9 represents Mazda's dedication to innovation and driving pleasure. With its striking design, rotary engine legacy, and cutting-edge technology, the RX-9 promises to be a standout in the world of sports cars. Stay tuned for more updates and reviews on the latest automotive innovations right here on your YouTube channel name. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy driving.